Tesla deploys its 35,000th supercharger. Now, do they mean individual supercharger? They must. That's way too many. Yeah. So each like actual unit with
kiosk.
Oh yeah, however you would describe it. But they mean like one plug. So they have currently 35,000 plugs total. They call it a stall. And this is in Wuhan, China, of all places, for your 35,000th. Tesla is currently growing its supercharger network at an impressive rate. The automaker went from 23,277 superchargers at 2,564 stations at the end of 2020 to 31,498 by 2021. Yeah, that is actually a rapid. Look at that. That's almost 10,000 more units in a year.
Did they make their own superchargers? Or do they outsource it to like a company?
Maybe a bit of both.
Yeah.
Well, I presume. I don't know, because if you go to their, they certainly service them. But I would presume they would have also contractors capable of doing installations and things. However, it's lagging behind vehicle deliveries, which grew 87% during the same period. And this is the thing I was suggesting.
Yeah, you're right about this one.
Like we talked about this when you were talking about buying yours, and I was like, wait a sec. I was just scratching the side of my head here. You can't keep up with those insane sales. At some point, these ratios, you got to be traveling at the same pace.
Yeah.
If you're doubling your vehicle sales, you got to be doubling the supercharger network for people to have the same experience that they had previously and not be lining up. And like I said, it doesn't seem too terrible around here, but there are other regions that where you're seeing images of lineups and things like that, and it's a different story. Granted, we need to remember there's always the charging at home. Many users don't actually utilize the supercharger network all that much, but it is worth noting that cars are being pumped out and purchased at a far faster rate than the extension and expansion of the supercharger network, but they are expanding it nonetheless. And you can charge with your adapter on other chargers, universal chargers. Around here, there's ChargePoint, Electrify, and Ivy Charge, and others, depending how long you're going to be somewhere. I mean, obviously, it's not fast, but you can do that too. So 35,000 chargers. Congratulations, Tesla.
Yeah. Good job. I wonder if they're going to decorate it.
I don't think so. They'd be doing that all the time. Every time they hit something, 40,000 or 45, 50.